Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Google Cloud login problems, permission errors explained step by step clearly. If you're facing login problems with Google Cloud, this guide will help you troubleshoot permission errors. First, check your internet connection. A stable connection is essential for accessing cloud services. Next, confirm that your Google account credentials are correct. Ensure that you're using the right email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the password recovery option. After logging in, verify your account permissions. Go to the Google Cloud Console and check if your account has the necessary roles assigned. You may need roles like owner, editor, or viewer to access certain resources. If you find that your permissions are inadequate, contact your administrator. Request the necessary access rights for the specific project or service. Sometimes, your organization may enforce additional authentication methods. Check if your account requires two-factor authentication or has security policies in place. If you encounter a permission-denied error, double-check the resources you're trying to access. Make sure you're looking in the correct project, as permissions are project-specific. If you recently switched organizations, you might need to be re-invited to projects. Contact your cloud administrator to ensure your account is properly configured. In some cases, clearing your browser cache can help resolve access issues. Try logging in from a different browser or incognito mode. This will rule out any browser-specific problems. If none of these steps work, consult the Google Cloud Support documentation. Look for common error codes that can provide more context for the issue. Lastly, consider reaching out to Google Cloud Support for personalized assistance. Provide them with details about your issue to get the best help. Following these steps should help you identify and fix your login problems effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.